If you ever wondered why ice cream gets freezer burns, why chocolate behaves a certain way it does, and what difference between a soft-boiled egg versus a hard-boiled egg, how do you actually measure that sensory performance? That's what our class is all about. We take all of the typical everyday experiences you have with food and try to map scientific concepts and measurable quantities to it to have a better understanding of our interaction with food. The class is called Edible Materials, the Science of Texture, and we focus mostly on how the sensory components come about in food. So we're taking all of the fundamental material science topics like elasticity, viscosity, surface energy, and phase diagrams and map it onto food and how that changes the food texture. In the sugar lab, students were tasked with two tasks. They were making fudge and also glass sugar. And they were learning about the glass transition temperature and also the fiber pulling process, which is typically seen in fiberglass pulling, optics, and communication. And in a fudge process, they made chocolate fudge, where they were really hands-on experiencing what controls nucleation and what can you do to prevent nucleation or promote it. There are 4 stations in total, each equipped with double induction oven cooktops and with supplies like different saucepans and soft bowls and measuring cups and all sorts of things that you'd ever want in the kitchen is there. We had them melt sugar and really use the sugar sucrose on water phase diagram to understand how you would utilize different sugar water concentrations to make different candies. One thing I really want the students to keep in mind is a lot of times they just have to keep asking questions. Being in the kitchen, being in a new environment sometimes promotes that and takes away the intimidation of asking questions.